Checking your oil. Run the bike for a few minutes or go for a spin. Sit the bike for about 3 or 4 minutes, let the engine cool down a little bit. You want the engine warm so the oil's moving. Put it on the center stand or lean it upright. Check your inspection window or your dipstick. Mine actually looks alright, but then this bike doesn't seem to use any oil. I've done 7,000 miles, I've used 1/3 of a litre. If you are going to put oil in, rather than wasting it or making a mess, take out your thing. Don't forget where you put it. Get something with a filter, just in case any slugs try to sneak in. Boom, 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 boom. The bungee is now hooked on here. This way I can put oil in and then go for a cup of tea. I don't have to worry about any oil being dripped on the floor or coming loose or being abducted by aliens. Plus I'm a cheap bastard, so that way I don't waste anything either.